I'll show some basic operation in this movie. Let's say we're gonna import import a file. Press convert and choose DXF file. So I'll find some file on my computer here under ecocam. There must be some demo files. I'll choose inch folder because my system is set up to work with inches. It can be set up with to work with millimeters also. Let's choose this one, and then I'll convert it. I'll press 1, 2, and 3. So after I press all those 3 buttons, it will be converted to JB format, which is format specific to icocam. Second step is to check is your file in inches DXF. So if it's not, it will recalculate everything and resize to fit into your machine. After that, we can open that file. That's a part I draw into that DXF file, but now it's saved into icocam native format, so I can preview offset and let me see offset. Here I can change. Offset is 0.075 and a lead distance is quarter inch. Like let's try 7. You see how it's getting bigger, but here we can change it, but we can change it like this to fit if you are cutting with plasma, waterjet, flame, or laser. Or you can set this as 0 and set this as 0 or minimum something like 0.1 inch. Okay, let's do it like for plasma. But if you want to be more precise, then we use and choose material. So for 60 ampere plasma unit and quarter inch size thickness of material, it will choose a proper value for offset and offset distance. Okay, so let's turn offset now because we don't need it at this point. I'll show some basic operation. If you use this button, this will select one part and move it, so you can move parts anywhere you want. Also, if you do press down and right button on your mouse and drag, it will pan a whole drawing. So we can zoom in or zoom out or zoom to full table or zoom to material like drawings. Big green screen represent table, and small rectangle represent material. I'll show you here when I change material like to be like 55 inches, it changed. So to move this part around, we can use those arrow keys, and here is step. We adjust step. Let's say I want to move it 2 inches up or down or left, or this arrow or here. Also I can rotate by 45 or 90 or let's for 33, and then I press it rotate, but I can all undo that. So here I move it to origin, and so I can move it here. How I can make array, like let's see, I move it to origin, and then I need a 3x2 array on my screen. Enter 3 here, and it will oh no, sorry, I have to select it first, then, and here is how we array it. So I don't need that now. The other way of arraying it is by using these buttons. It will move part and copy, make a duplicate like this. So if I select all 3 and duplicate this way, it will make it this way, copying. Okay, I'll undo everything, and then let's also I can open other file, but in this case I'll open the job from the other files I previously used, like this. I'll use this one, let's say. I'll open, this will not open this file, but open to already existing opened file, and it will open somewhere on the top. Let's select that one and make some copies. Okay, now I want to nest that. So first, before I'll move everything out of table, so that means program will know nothing is nested yet, and you see everything is out of table. So I'll zoom it out, zoom it in a little bit. I can turn path to watch, and then I start nesting. It will nest first biggest part, and then it will nest. Look, this one is too big to nest anywhere, so it's out of the table. Okay. So now I can, let's say, no, deselect all. I can select this, deselect all, and select only this outside of the table and delete them, because I want to create a G code for this drawing. First I'll fit here, and then I can automatically set leads in. But I can do it manually if you don't like what program did for me. After that I can, there is 4 buttons for reordering inside or outside parts, but you will use mostly this last button to reorder path automatic. And then you press, I'll generate G code for this, and I'll choose arc like lead in, arc like lead out, or line as lead out. Then I'll choose material for this, and then press generate G code. Okay, and I don't need to save it because I'm not cutting it. And okay, close this dialog and go on tools to go into G code mode, and then let's click here and zoom. Sorry, here. Zoom in, and now I can watch one by pressing arrow key and scrolling down the list box on the right side, and see how it will be cut on G code, and that's